Hi, this is Chev from Chev's Off-Roading. Today we're going to be firing up two of our loaders. One needs the injectors primed. It ran out of fuel, so we got to bleed the injectors. And then the other loader, the big loader, the tire's slightly off the bead. Not too bad, but we have to use this little loader to pick the back of the big loader up and get some air in that tire. And then we're going to go pull a tranny for my red Jeep, because unfortunately it went out. But I got a spare up here, so we're gonna pull that and throw that in. Hopefully that tranny is good. It's kind of a Jeep we're pulling it out. It's kind of a pile, but stay tuned. We have some good content coming. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you enjoy the video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Throw some comments down there if you have any questions or any suggestions on things we should do. But yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll get to the action. So we're out here up at our junkyard. Gonna fire up this John Deere loader that's been sitting in the 40 to 60 below weather for the past month, and someone ran it with the fuel turned off, and now we gotta bleed the injectors. I'm here with my dad. We're gonna fire this up.
Bleed the injectors. The fuel was turned off on this machine and ran out of fuel, so now we have air in the fuel lines. We're gonna bleed the injectors. There is a roll of them here. Okay, just like that. And then we will proceed on to the rest of them.
We're gonna spin this motor over by hand, or at least try to, so we can try and prime this fuel pump. And then, alright, so we got the injector lines all bled out. Now we're gonna see if we can get her to fire up. Brought the roll back up here so we can put some air in the tire on the big loader. And we'll do a cold start on it too. It's got a Detroit 8V71. So should be pretty good. So we gotta put some jumper cables on this thing because I forgot the key on and the batteries went dead. So we'll throw those on there. We'll end up having to throw a jump pack on there too. My dad's over there doing something with the little loader currently. I don't know exactly what he's doing, but let's go get some jumper cables on this thing. Got some big long ones here. Too long, but they're all we got, so throw them on there, and unfortunately have to roll 200 feet worth of jumper cables back up. Alright, now we gotta go try and get the tire on the bead, so let's go do that. had to push it a little bit.
Sometimes you do a little strap around the outside of it, tighten it up. We might have to do that for that.
I don't know if you heard that. He said sometimes you got to run a strap around the tire to get the bead to seat. He says we might have to do it to the big loader over there. So stay tuned. More stuff coming. I'll start videoing again once we start working on the big loader. Also, I feel like I should throw this in here. If anybody is wondering, Chev from Chev's Off-Roading. Yes, my real name is in fact Chevy. That's pretty much it. Just so no one was confused. Alright, so now we're gonna cold start this little pig. Here she goes. One actually popped off a little bit there. Fired right up. Surprisingly, we didn't pre-start it or nothing. That was pure cold start. Surprised by how well that thing fired up. So we got the loader fired up again. Had to air the tire up. Put some hydraulic fluid in it. Got I think it's a cylinder that's leaking, or maybe a hose. Pretty sure it's a cylinder. Gotta refill it every once in a while. We're gonna take this and we'll pick up on the back of that loader over there, so we can get that tire back on the bead and get some air in it. So we got the little loader going here. Looks like he's plowing some snow. Back here. Got the jumper cables on the big loader. Get this thing fired up soon and go dig some cars out. I'll bring you guys down there and show you what we got to deal with. There's a Jeep I'm after, and it's all the way in the corner. It's about 5 cars beside it and 5 cars in front of it, so we gotta go pull all these cars out of the way. I don't know why they put it back there. We go Jeeping a lot, and we always need Jeep parts, so we got some Grand Cherokees, newer Grand Cherokees, more Grand Cherokees, even more Grand Cherokees. But we're after this green Jeep back here. It's kind of a pile. They found it on the side of the road. The people were taking it to the scrapyard, and they told them just keep it. But I tried cranking it over once, and I heard some nasty sounds coming from the motor, so that leads me to believe that hopefully the tranny's good, and that's why this thing was on its way to the scrapyard. So we'll go and pull all this stuff out of the way and get this old girl dug out. And also, if anyone watching is interested in Demolition Derby content, leave a comment, let me know, and I'll make sure I record the next derby we go to. We go to a lot of them. Here's some of the cars. These are my brother's cars. This is his Crown Vic wagon. Got an LS in it, and it's fuel injected. Most of the guys run them carbureted, but he tried out fuel injection. It ran pretty good. But yeah, we go to a lot of derbies, and pretty fun. I really enjoy it, and if any of you guys would possibly be interested in it, let me know. And I'll make sure I get some content. So here goes a little front end loader. Cars. Here we got it out, just up in there right now. Slick out here, slipped on some ice. Whilst he's up there, I want to check the gear ratio on it too. Maybe it might got some 410s. Pull the tranny out of this one. She should still be good. She looks dry. Doesn't look like it leaked a whole bunch. I previously pulled the transfer case out of this for my old green Jeep. So yeah, hopefully this is good. I don't see why not, because the motor is what's bad on this. Lowering her down onto the rollback here. Better spot to hook. And we'll cinch her down. Three, 4, and 5 points of contact. She is safely loaded. That's going to be the end of the video. If you enjoyed, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Next video is going to be me putting the transmission in my red Jeep and pulling it out of that Jeep and putting it in my red Jeep. I want to do kind of like a how-to video, so hopefully if you guys watch this and go and check out my next video, if need be you have to change a tranny, hopefully you'll find that educational and helpful if you don't know how already. But thank you for watching. You guys have a nice night.